Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of changing the display currency in the Hopper app on your mobile device. Whether you're planning a trip abroad or prefer to see prices in your local currency, this quick tutorial will show you how to make that adjustment. First, open the Hopper app on your smartphone. Once the app is open, locate and tap on the profile icon at the top left. This will take you to your account settings. Next, scroll down through the settings menu until you find the Currency option. Tap on it to open a list of available currencies. Then, browse through the list and select your preferred currency. Once selected, the app will automatically update to display prices in your chosen currency. Please note that this change affects only the display currency. By following these steps, you can view prices in your preferred currency, making it easier to plan and budget for your travels.